In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform Prefill with Monday.com 5 minutes. Start by opening both Jotform and Monday.com in separate tabs. Having them side by side makes this quick because you'll be switching between the two. In Jotform, go to your account dashboard and find the form you want to prefill. Open the form's options menu labeled More, then choose Publish. Inside Publish, switch to the Prefill section. Here, select Monday.com Prefill. If this is your first time connecting, Jotform will prompt you to provide your Monday.com API token so it can securely pull data from your workspace. To grab that token, hop over to Monday.com. Open your profile menu, go to the developers area, and then to the API token section. You'll see an option to create or view your personal API token. Copy it and keep it safe. Treat it like a password and don't share it. If you're working in a team, make sure you have the right permissions to access the boards you plan to use. Back in Jotform, paste the token into the prompt to connect your account. Once connected, you'll be able to choose the specific Monday.com board that holds the data you want to use. After selecting a board, pick which columns should map to your form fields. This mapping is crucial. Match text columns to short text fields, number columns to number fields, email columns to email fields, and date columns to date pickers. Correct mappings ensure your prefills are accurate and prevent formatting issues. When your mappings look good, click Add a new prefill. You can then select the specific items from your board that you want to use for prefilling. Jotform will generate unique, customized form links for each item you choose. Sharing one of these links opens the form already populated with that item's values, which saves time and reduces manual data entry. A few quick tips before you share. Preview your form with a single test item to confirm everything lands in the right place. If you adjust the mapping later, regenerate or update your prefill links so they reflect the latest field setup. If you encounter connection errors, refresh both tabs and reconnect the integration. And if access is restricted, check your Monday.com permissions and board visibility. That's it. You've connected Jotform to Monday.com, mapped your fields, and generated tailored prefill links. Use this workflow to streamline onboarding, approvals, updates, and any process where pulling existing data into a form speeds things up. Thanks for watching and happy building.